Ever scrolled through your feed and saw those tempting deals? Travel now, pay later. No down payment, zero interest, easy monthly installments. Sounds perfect, right? But behind that dream vacation might be a financial hangover waiting to happen. Companies know how to make you click book now. That $2,000 a month adds up fast. Flights, hotels, luggage, all in installments, you're still paying for last year's trip. Here's the catch. 0% interest isn't always zero. People forget they're spending money they haven't earned yet. Travel now, pay later doesn't just sell flights, it sells feelings. You're tired and need a break, so you justify it. But emotional spending disguised as self-care. Buying peace of mind shouldn't cost your future. So, should you never travel? Of course not. Here are smart ways to prepare you financially for your future travels. Tip number 1. Save first, book later. Before you get swept away by any travel now, pay later offer, pause and ask yourself, can I afford this if I pay in full? When you save first and book later, you give yourself the advantage of enjoying the trip without the baggage of debt waiting for you after you return. This approach does two things. It delays gratification just enough to make the experience more satisfying, and it allows you to travel guilt-free, knowing you won't be burdened by payments months after your vacation's already over. Tip number 2. Create a travel fund. Even $500 a week adds up. A smart strategy is to start a dedicated travel fund, a separate space where you set aside small regular amounts just for travel. Even something as manageable as $500 per week means you've got $2,000 a month and $24,000 in a year, enough for a local getaway or a big step toward an international trip. The trick here is consistency, not perfection. Start with what you can and you'll be surprised by how fast it grows when you give it time and purpose. Tip number 3. If you use credit, pay it off before booking the next trip. Credit can be a useful tool if used the right way. If you decide to use a credit card or buy now pay later option, commit to paying off the full amount before you even think about planning another trip. This discipline not only protects your financial health but also builds your credit score. It prevents that rolling debt feeling where you're always paying for the last adventure, leaving you tired, trapped, and unable to enjoy the next one. Leave the moment, but not at the expense of your future peace of mind. Tip number 4. Compare total costs before committing. That eye-catching promo might not look so tempting once you dig into the full cost. Before signing up for anything involving installments or deferred payments, take the time to compare the total price you'll be paying. Cash versus buy now pay later or credit installments. Look for hidden costs, service fees, interest rates, and penalties for late payments. Sometimes what seems like a discount or zero-interest deal actually has extra charges hidden in the fine print. Being informed now saves you money and stress later. Remember that travel should refresh your mind, not wreck your finances. Real financial freedom isn't avoiding fun, it's enjoying it without regret. To help you stay debt-free, I created a free credit card tracker. To get this, just send an email to Freedom Years Project with subject line Fund Your Travels. To continue enhancing your skills and knowledge about money management and using your credit card, watch Credit Card Hacks in our Freedom Years channel. Now how about you share, what destination are you thinking of traveling to? Share in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our Freedom Years channel, and share this video. Until next.